Welcome to CNEN, your go-to for the latest crypto news, trends, and insights that shape the market. Today we're covering massive moves in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Constellation, WLFI, Sonic, Hedera, NFTs, and more. Buckle up because the crypto world is buzzing. Let's dive in. So, crypto funds saw a $2.5 billion inflow despite the price dips. According to CoinShares, cryptocurrency investment products saw a staggering $2.5 billion in inflows last week. Even as Bitcoin and Ethereum prices took a hit, this surge comes after $1.4 billion in outflows the previous week, showing renewed investor confidence. Why does this matter? It signals that the institutional and retail investors are actually doubling down on crypto, potentially setting the stage for a bullish reversal despite the short-term price declines. Keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, which are driving much of this capital flow for the next couple of months. We'll see, not financial advice. Moving on, Michael Saylor's strategy boosts Bitcoin holdings by $51.4 million purchase. Michael Saylor is at it again, another big Bitcoin buy. And Ethereum ETFs record 149 million net inflow in a single day. Oh my goodness, Ethereum ETFs are heating up. $149 million in a single day. That's a new record. Crazy. And the only outflows that ETFs had that day, or Ether ETFs, was on Grayscales for just over 5 million. So that's insane. You got over $140 million pouring in that day. This inflow could help stabilize Ethereum's price, which dipped recently below 4,300. And that's what we're all hoping for, some stability so Ethereum can start climbing, not financial advice. Constellation Network achieves MiCAR compliance. Constellation Network just unlocked Europe with MiCAR compliance. Here's why it's huge. Constellation Network has achieved markets in crypto assets regulation compliance by publishing its MiCAR white paper, marking a key milestone for regulatory transparency and investor protections in the EU and EEA. This allows the DAG token to be listed on regulated platforms like Kraken, Coinbase, and Crypto.com, including DAG has a circulating supply of 3.69 billion. It's got a flexible supply model. Benjamin Jorgensen, their CEO, said he's quite excited that they have released this paperwork now. It expands access and liquidity for DAG in Europe, positioning Constellation for broader adoption in regulated markets, especially alongside its existing U.S. government ties. Constellation has worked with the Department of Defense, and I think it actively is. Moving on, the Trump-backed WLFI coin launches and drops sharply. Trump's WLFI token is already down big after launch. You won't believe the numbers. Well, it's not actually. You will sort of believe it was sort of expected. The WLFI token launched today at around 33 cents, but quickly declined, trading down 15 to 44%, around 25 cents now at the time of this video, with a market cap of around $8.7 billion. That is some crazy volatility and lots of whales in there. I am not touching that, not financial advice. You do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. As a high-profile project connected to Trump, the performance and everything is celebrity and politically linked. So it's very uncertain of a coin. It's not established like some of the others we might know of. But yeah, do your own research. Good luck. All right, moving on. Sonic Labs community votes to establish Sonic USA. Like a new foundation, I'm guessing. Sonic Labs gets near-unanimous vote for a massive US expansion. Sonic Labs community voted overwhelmingly, over 99.99%, to allocate 150 to 200 million in Sonic tokens for US expansion, including launching an ETF or ETP, a NASDAQ PIPE vehicle, and establishing Sonic USA LLC in Delaware with a New York-based team. This move aims to bring blockchain with traditional finance through regulatory engagement in Washington, D.C. Why does this matter? It represents a bold push for institutional adoption, potentially boosting Sonic's liquidity, visibility, and integration with the U.S. capital markets, setting a precedent for other Layer 1 networks, eyeing TradFi. Moving on, Hedera's trade in Orbit platform gains traction. Hedera's new DeFi platform is live and already turning heads. Trade in Orbit, Hedera's first all-in-one DeFi trading platform, is now live on mainnet, offering swaps, staking, lending, and yield farming in a single hub. Built on Hedera's high-speed, low-cost network, it aims to compete with Ethereum, Solana, and everything else DeFi ecosystems. Why does this matter? A robust DeFi platform could actually drive HBAR adoption by making Hedera more accessible to retail and institutional users, potentially boosting its market position in the competitive DeFi space. Moving on, Pudgy Penguins NFT floor price slides amid market downturn. Pudgy Penguins NFTs are struggling. Here's what's going on. The Pudgy Penguins NFT collection saw its floor price dip this month, mirroring a broader decline in NFT market. Despite the launch of their mobile battle royale game, Pudgy Party, the collection's value has been hit by reduced demand for digital collectibles. Why does it matter? NFTs are highly sensitive to market sentiment, and this dip could signal challenges for gaming-focused NFT projects. However, a successful Pudgy Party rollout could reverse the trend by integrating NFTs into mainstream gaming. Yeah, that's a big one. NFTs in video games hasn't been too successful yet, but I assume in the next few years here, if financial institutions are integrating crypto soon, payment systems that are integrated through these financial things might then be integrated into games. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, it's still a cool possibility. But anyways, the point, Pudgy Penguins are down. Hopefully they keep going. Bitget partners with Newcastle United for a crypto push. Crypto just scored a huge partnership with this Premier League partnership. The crypto exchange Bitget announced a multi-year partnership with Newcastle United, a Premier League football club, to boost crypto adoption through sports. This follows similar moves by other exchanges like Buy DeFi. Why does this matter? Mainstream partnerships like this bring crypto to new audiences, especially sports fans, and could drive retail adoption. It also highlights the growing trend of crypto brands leveraging high-profile sponsorships to build credibility and visibility. And the more regular brands, I guess, traditional organizations, brands, companies that reach out and connect with crypto organizations, it's just going to help, normalize crypto. And it's going to help bring crypto into all these platforms and everything and integrate it with everything. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but yeah, no, so that's exciting as well. In closing, that's your crypto news roundup for September 1st. Please remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in anything. From institutional inflows to regulatory wins, token launches, and expansion votes, the market is full of action. If you caught one of these stories in a short, the full details are always here in our daily updates. Comment, like, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve, and we'll see you tomorrow for more crypto news that matters. Take care.